Welcome to C-Space. Today I'm going to show you real-time collaboration of CAD models and CAE results in the cloud. This is a completely browser-based solution with no plugins required. Right now I'm sitting in New York while the geometry and simulations reside in Ireland. I'm going to log in as my own user. When I'm logged in, I'm brought to the dashboard. This is where I can organize my models, projects, tasks, and sample projects. I can open up a project by clicking on the link. To open the import node, I just double click on it. Here I can see I have a simple coupe. If I want to collaborate with users within my company, I can do so easily. But I can also collaborate with people who do not have C-Space accounts. To do so, I just right-click on a node and click Share. Then I enter any email address that I want. Right now I'm using a Gmail account. Give it a note, and then set the expiration window. When I click Send, it's going to send an email to this email address. I'm bringing up another browser side by side where I can see the email has been sent to this Gmail account. When I open the email, I see that I want to share a CAE model with them. I see the note I put, and I can click on the link to bring me to C-Space. If this was the first time I was going to C-Space, I would have to create an account with that email address and a new password. But since I already have an account here, I can log in. It'll bring me directly to the project that was shared with me. Now I can import that model on my own and rotate it around as I would like. But if I wanted to collaborate in real time, I just switch to collaboration mode. I can see all the contacts that are online as well as the guest. I can start a conversation. They'll be notified that a new conversation has been started and they can chat back. I can also share the model that I'm working on. This will provide them with the link, and when they click on it, it'll open the shared model in a new window. Now when I rotate my model on screen, it'll rotate on their screen. I can zoom in and out and translate. I can also add annotations on screen by drawing or providing text. I'll choose a different color here. I can then pass control to the other user. Now they can rotate on screen as well. They can also add text, and I'm going to change the color here. Now I'll take control back, and I can store all these annotations and the orientation of this model in a note. So for this node, I'll click on Tasks and Notes and click New Note. I can give it a title, give it some text, and then add a model reference. This captures the orientation of the model as well as all the annotations on screen. When I click Create, this will be stored for the lifetime of the project. So now what I showed you was collaboration between two users with one model. In fact, it can be done with as many users as you want and up to 4 models. So I'm going to open up a few more models here. Now I can share each one of these models with the other user. When I click on the links, you'll see that they'll open up as well. I'll link all the views together. So now when I rotate one model, all the models will rotate on screen. We are seeing a combination of both client-side rendering using WebGL technology to maintain responsiveness and interactivity for the CAD model, as well as server-side rendering using OpenGL and NVIDIA GL technology to render large data sets such as the results model. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demonstration.